In our previous video, we showed you how to claim free API credits worth up to $4,000. But claiming the API key is only half the story. The real question is, how do you actually use those API credits with Claude Code? Well, that's exactly what we're going to set up in this video. I'll show you how to connect your API key, configure a custom provider using Jan AI, and then launch Claude Code directly from Visual Studio Code. If you watched my previous video, you should already have your API key ready. If you haven't watched it yet, I've linked that video in the description, so you can check it out first and then come back here. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel if you want more tutorials about AI tools, coding agents, and free API resources. All right, let's get started.
The first thing we need is Jan AI. Jan is going to help us configure our custom API provider and connect it with the API endpoint we're going to use. You can download Jan AI from the official website. I've added the link in the description. Once you've downloaded it, install it normally on your computer. I've already installed Jan AI on my system, so I'm going to open it directly. Once Jan AI is open, go to Settings. Inside Settings, you'll find several configuration options.
Look for the Model Providers section. Here you'll see the providers that are already available. What we need to do is add our own custom provider.
Look for the plus button and click on it. This will open the custom provider configuration. Now let's configure the provider. For the provider name, I'm going to enter HCN-SEC. Next, you'll see an option for the API format. Select OpenAI Compatible. This is important because we're connecting to an API endpoint that follows the OpenAI compatible API format. Next, you'll need to enter the base URL. Use the exact base URL provided by the API service. I'm going to enter the URL shown on the screen. Make sure you copy it correctly because even a small mistake in the endpoint can prevent the connection from working.
Now it's time to add the API key. Go back to the API key you claimed in the previous video and copy it. Then paste it into the API key field here. Once you've entered the provider details and API key, we're ready to configure the models. Now we need to configure the models that Claude Code will use.
On the right side, you'll find a Refresh button. Simply click on Refresh to fetch the available AI models from the API provider. Once the models are loaded, move to the Claude Code settings. Here, you'll need to choose 3 different models for Claude Code: large, medium, and small. Select the appropriate model for each option based on the models available through your API provider. Once you've selected all 3 models, we're ready to enable the environment. Now simply click on Save and Enable. Jan AI will take a few seconds to configure and enable the environment. Once everything is ready, you should see a notification confirming that the provider has been successfully enabled.
Now let's move to the part that most of you are probably waiting for. Open Visual Studio Code. You have a couple of options here. You can use the Claude Code Vibe coding agent if it's available in your setup. For this example, I'm going to use the terminal.
Open the terminal inside Visual Studio Code and launch Claude Code. Because we've already configured our API environment, Claude Code can now communicate through the configured API provider. And now you can start using Claude Code for your coding workflow.
At this point, it's a good idea to test the connection before starting a large project. Ask Claude Code something simple. For example, ask it to inspect your current project and explain the folder structure. If you receive a response, that means the connection is working. From here, you can start using Claude Code for things like generating code, understanding an existing project, fixing bugs, creating features, and, of course, vibe coding. One thing I noticed while testing API ways like this is that response speed can vary depending on server load, network conditions. You may find different response speeds at different times of the day. And that's how you can connect your claimed API key with Claude Code using Jan AI and Visual Studio Code. If you found this tutorial useful, subscribe to the channel. What are you planning to build with Claude Code? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.